What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today kasama si Daddy. Yay! So, invitar tomorrow. So, sa November 29 sa Biyernes. So, mag-89th birthday ni Lolo Iton Jesus Chasinyo. So, pero nag-isip meron dapat yung bawat mag-usap para maglaro tayo. So, alam mo, gusto ko pinaka sa support na sa mga ng mga parents ko. So every last month of my every year when I was young. So the story of Erlinda when I was a love story. So other ways, so pinaka yung another round. So as a straightforward yung rocking around in an accident. So pinaka yung powerful, so painful in heaven mercy sa mga pinadaanan. So sabi na, so pinadaanan. So alam mo yung pinaka. So okay. So don't forget and like button and comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Peace. Bye bye. Hey Daddy. Bye bye. Bye bye.